Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to reset the 2018 Dodge Journey oil light. Turn the ignition to RUN without starting the engine and make sure the dash is active. Use the odometer/trip button on the instrument cluster to toggle to the mileage display, then follow the reset steps clearly and slowly so you don't miss the prompts. I will guide you through each press and timing to finish the reset smoothly. Start with the key out and the vehicle in park, then press and hold the odometer button until the display changes or flashes. With the button still held, turn the ignition to RUN without starting the engine and watch for the oil life or reset prompt. Release the button when the reset confirmation appears and verify the oil light has cleared. If the light stays on, repeat the sequence carefully to ensure correct timing. If the reset sequence does not respond, try cycling the ignition off and on again and retry the button timing to ensure a proper reset. Some vehicles or software updates change menu names, so check the owner manual if you see different prompts. If the oil light persists after successful reset attempts, confirm the oil level and condition, and consider a professional inspection to rule out sensor or electrical issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.